So another amazing feature with Carta is the set distance alarms. So I can do anything like fencing and have a known distance. It will actually alert me every time I get to that set distance. To do that, I'll go to my tool menu, go to set distance, and I can manually enter in that distance or change my measuring units. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter in 8 feet. And as I'm walking, it's going to beep as well as automatically mark that point when I get there. Then I can go ahead and stop my project and go ahead and look at my measurements every 8 feet.